The Flycatcher Smart Sketcher 2.0 projector is a standout educational tool designed to combine fun and learning for kids. This device takes drawing and tracing to the next level, giving children the chance to explore creativity while developing essential skills. Unlike traditional toys, this projector uses smart technology to display clear images on any paper, making it easy for children to trace, color, and even learn letters and numbers in a hands-on way. Setting up the Smart Sketcher 2.0 is simple and quick. After powering it on, it connects seamlessly with a smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth. From there, kids can choose from a wide selection of preloaded images or download new content through the companion app. The images are projected clearly, so tracing is smooth and enjoyable, even for beginners. This eliminates the frustration that can come with traditional drawing methods and allows children to focus on creativity and learning. The projector's design goes beyond just art. It encourages problem-solving, hand-eye coordination, and focus, turning every drawing session into an educational experience. The companion app adds interactive lessons, guided drawing tutorials, and creative challenges that help children develop new skills while staying entertained. This integration of technology and learning makes the Smart Sketcher 2.0 an engaging tool for both playtime and educational development. Parents will find it especially useful as a way to make screen time productive. Instead of passive consumption, children are actively creating, exploring, and learning. The projector works well for tracing anything from animals and cartoon characters to family photos, making it versatile and personal. Kids can watch their drawings come to life, giving them a sense of achievement and boosting confidence in their artistic abilities. The Flycatcher Smart Sketcher 2.0 is built to last. Its sturdy construction ensures it can withstand everyday use, while its compact size makes it perfect for home use, classrooms, or travel. It's portable, lightweight, and easy to set up anywhere, which means kids can enjoy creative activities anytime, anywhere without the hassle of complicated assembly or bulky accessories. The projector grows with the child. For younger kids, it provides simple tracing activities to build foundational skills. Older children can take advantage of advanced drawing tutorials and more detailed tracing projects. This scalability ensures that the device remains relevant as children's abilities improve and their creativity expands. A unique feature of this projector is the ability to turn personal photos into traceable outlines. This creates an exciting and interactive way for kids to engage with their favorite images, whether it's a beloved pet, family member, or a memorable moment. This customization adds a personal touch to their creative journey and keeps them motivated to draw more. The combination of smart technology, interactive lessons, and hands-on activities makes the Flycatcher Smart Sketcher 2.0 more than just a toy. It's an educational companion that nurtures creativity, develops cognitive skills, and makes learning enjoyable. For parents seeking tools that inspire imagination, improve motor skills, and encourage active learning, this projector is a great addition to any child's play and learning routine. Hi everyone, if you want to buy this Flycatcher Smart Sketcher 2.0 projector, drawing and tracing projector for kids, educational arts and crafts toy, art gift for boys and girls for ages 5+, then please visit the link provided in the description.